Microsoft released new emergency updates for Windows 11 and 10 today. These updates are designed to resolve numerous serious problems affecting many computers across both Windows versions. Interestingly, these issues were actually caused by earlier emergency patches, KB5077744 and KB5077797, that were supposed to fix previous problems. The latest emergency patches are available as KB5078127 for Windows 11 versions 25H2 and 24H2, KB5078132 for Windows 11 23H2, and KB5078129 plus KB5078131 for Windows 11 22H2 and older Windows 10 editions. Here's what the update fixes. File system resolved. Following the Windows patch installed on or after January 13, 2026, certain programs stopped responding or experienced unexpected crashes when accessing or storing files on cloud storage services like OneDrive or Dropbox. With specific Outlook setups that keep PST files on OneDrive, Outlook might freeze and won't restart unless you force close the program or reboot your computer. People might also notice missing sent messages or emails they already downloaded being downloaded again. Key changes made, meant to fix, designed to resolve, myriad of various major issues, numerous serious problems, ironically broken, actually caused, meant fix, released under available as, encountered, experienced, hang, freeze, terminated, force close. That's everything for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Drop a comment below if you're experiencing these issues or if the update fixed things for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe online.